Hey, hi everyone, I'm back with another video and you are watching Ujjwal Discussion. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the very important aspect of learning anything. If you are a spoken English learner, then you have to do this. You have to maintain consistency. Today I'm going to be talking about consistency because consistency is really important for you to maintain because what we don't understand about consistency is that consistency is one of the practices that you have to do on a regular basis. Now, how can you practice consistency? Today we're going to talk about that in detail. So stay tuned, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel because I upload genuine raw content. I never teach you English through any other language. I just talk to you in English, and I always preach about listening to English content so that you can enhance your understanding ability when it comes to speaking a particular language. And that's why I'm here at your service. And if you need any help, please let me know in the comment section below. All you need to do is to just give me some encouragement so that I can come here with renewed enthusiasm and I can give you some solutions related to your English. So today I'm going to be talking about a very important aspect of learning anything. If you are a spoken English learner, then you have to do one thing, and that is you have to maintain consistency. What does consistency mean? Now you can do the Google search and you can get the meaning, but that is simply a definition, right? All you need to understand is that consistency is all about doing the stuffs on a regular basis, right? So let's say you have made a commitment to hit the gym every single evening, and when you do that on a regular basis, meaning let's say once a week you take a break or twice a week you take a break, that's all right. But if you hit the gym when you feel like going there, then it's not called consistency. Consistency is about maintaining a particular routine that you have set for yourself. Consistency is all about that. Now, while maintaining consistency, there will be a lot of problems, right? There will be a lot of difficulties and obstacles. Despite all of that, you have to maintain consistency, all right? So I was a kind of a guy who was who didn't used to be a kind of consistent person. I was always inconsistent, but I learned as I advanced towards learning English, right? I learned this thing. These are the skills that you need to develop in yourself. Right, so if you say I don't have enough time to maintain consistency, then it's a very big lie. Now a lot of people these days prefer giving excuses to setting a particular goal and working on that, right? So if you have made a commitment and you're just going to follow that, then it is called consistency, right? And you see, when you are maintaining consistency, it's not so interesting, it's not entertaining at all. Consistency is all about, like, you have set a particular goal for yourself. No matter how you feel every day, you're gonna give your 100%, right? So last time I made a video, like if you check my previous video, the sound was not so good and I was not satisfied with the video, right? So but still, I'm trying it again, right? So this is called consistency. I am practicing consistency here. Before you practice anything, practice consistency. Consistency is one of the skills that you have to practice. As I always preach this to my students, that when anybody comes to me for learning spoken English, you can be my student. Okay, you wonder how you can join my class? You have to call me on the number that is given on the screen. Just call me on this number, and if you are interested in doing my online class, then you get all the links in the description. You can mail me, you can contact me, and you can start your session in 2024. Okay, so let's get back to our original concern, and the original question is that consistency, right? So whenever a new student comes to me, and I always say, look, you have to become a student, because becoming a student is a practice, right? So you cannot become a student if you haven't practiced it yet, meaning if you cannot become a student if you don't follow certain things like consistency, discipline, obedience. These things are very important. If you don't follow them, then you are not called a student. So as you advance towards learning anything, so you understand certain things that you need to apply in your learning career or learning journey, right? So today I am talking about consistency. So the first thing that you need to do is to understand that consistency is a practice. You don't have consistency. So if you have made a commitment to learn anything, it could be any language, it could be anything, then if you do that on a regular basis, if you sit down in the morning making a particular routine, then you see that you are practicing consistency, right? And you don't have any control over the kind of growth that you're gonna get, but all you can do is to just keep on doing that thing on a regular basis. All right, so I hope you have got the idea of consistency. Now your job is to leave a comment below. Just let me know that you are going to get consistent from today, and I promise you I'll be uploading videos like this, motivational videos for spoken English, videos that might help you to remember what you should do, because you have a responsibility, and that responsibility is to sit down and you have to press on the accelerator button, and you just have to do it every day. Because if you want to expedite your growth, then all you need to do is to just sit down on a regular basis and work, right? So I'm not here to tell you, okay, 5 sentences to learn spoken English, 5 methods to learn this and that. I'm not here to do all this. I'm just showing you how you can do conversation with yourself whenever you are alone, because the common the very common complaint is that people often complain about not getting any partner to have a conversation with. You can be your own partner. Be self-dependent. There is nobody going to help you in improving your communication skill, your English. You have to take your own responsibility. I have discussed these things for a lot of time, and I want you to just take the first step, because taking the first step, like I made a video, I don't know what I talked about, because I never follow any script. So I probably made a video on first step. You can just check out in the description, you can get it, or you can get anywhere. Like first step is that, like, you can get anywhere in my channel. So yeah, so first step is there. You just have to take the first step, right? And you have to practice. You have to sit down and practice. You have to sit down and practice. You have to do it every single day, right? So if you practice English every day, then I'm telling you, like, you should not chase result. Result will appear automatically. All you need to do is to just sit down and practice. Sit down and practice. So today I'm here. Well, I was here to talk about consistency, but I've just gone to another path, another direction. But yeah, I'm happy that I'm just talking about right now. I'm talking about like, how can you practice consistency? You can practice consistency by simply taking a particular step, and if you just do it on a regular basis, right, it will show you significant growth. And I'm telling you, like, you're just going to get a lot of things, right? A lot of things. So I wasn't as fluent as I am right now when I started my YouTube channel, but now I can see a significant growth in my performance in front of camera. How have I seen this growth, or how can I see this growth in myself? I can see growth in myself because I was pretty consistent. I was not as consistent as I wanted to be, but I was consistent on an average. So for that reason, I feel like, yes, I I'm able to speak fluent English in front of camera, right? I teach English. I make a lot of mistakes, and I'm not ashamed of myself. All you need to do is to just sit down and practice. That's what you can do. You've got a new day, and you have to use it, right? So it is a motivational session. I'm telling you, it's a motivational session for you. If you are still lying in your bed watching my video, come on, get up and start your practice. And if you will be getting a lot of interested people in the comment section, just do a conversation with them, and exchange your number over there, so that you can have a group discussion. Like, you need interested people to have a conversation with, because there are so many people, those who are semi-interested, low interested, high interested. All you need to understand their intensity, and once you are able to understand each other's intensity, then you can have a very deep and meaningful and profound conversation. So here I am, and I always request you to subscribe to this channel, so that I get some encouragement, and I can come again with renewed enthusiasm, right? So you just have to keep on doing that. Be consistent when it comes to subscribing to my channel and liking the videos, so don't forget to do that. And I was here to tell you what consistency is. Hope it helps. If it doesn't help, I can't do anything. You can check out some other videos in the description, and you can just explore my channel. There are podcasts, there are so many long form, short form videos. You can even just watch any of them. I make videos in English, so I always help you with active listening. So if you are looking for videos related to spoken English or something like that, like spoken English podcast, then you can get a bunch of videos on my channel. Go up there and just watch one by one. It will definitely motivate you, and you have to be your own cheerleader, because most of the time when you go to somebody who is learning spoken English, but he or she rejects your offer by saying that they don't have any time. So it's very easy to say I don't have any time. It's very easy to say that I don't feel like doing it, but you have to dust your pants off, and you just need to get ready to do the practice. Hope this video helps. Please subscribe, and if you have any opinion, leave in the comment section. Till then, you take care.